We'll look at emotionally hurting relations and what impact it can have on oneself or one's psychological health. Sometimes people you love and care the most will cause intense emotional pain and hurt, be it by losing them or being away from them physically. Not to forget a deliberate manipulation of your affection for their selfish growth or needs, or just lack of basic communication skills in terms of their ability to express emotions, especially negative emotions of anger, sadness, loss, tension, fear, feelings of low, etc. Looking at the other side of the coin, why is that you bear or take it in spite of it hurting emotionally the most? There could be various factors: strong feeling of wanting to keep family together, over involvement by taking multiple roles other than the biological one. For example, culturally, the eldest son in Indian families expected to take family responsibilities in the absence of father figure, not so much with the daughter. Irrespective of cultural expectations, over involvement, these factors are also important reasons for depression, anxiety, other mental health issues. Coming to how to handle, first you need to recognize what factors making you take it all, what impact it has on your growth, your current relations, especially if you have growing children who are the carriers of your family traditions, value system. If it is not healthy, better to keep a healthy and safe distance with such relations if possible. Or sometimes you may have to take long term decisions towards the hurting relation, especially if it is still continues to spill bitterness in spite of many years of suffering. So this could be a short video for those who can connect to it. Hope this could make some sense to those who are going through such intense emotional pain. Protect yourself, keep healthy distance, focus on your growth. Whatever your priorities, what you want to do with your life, there is choice. You just have to take the right choice. Thank you.